Alright, here we got this GPS tracker that we just removed out of this car. If you are looking for someone to remove a GPS tracker on any car, we can do it for you. My number is 832-618-7291, and this is the GPS that we just removed out of this car. We are located in North Houston. For your convenience, you can just give me a call, set up an appointment, and we can remove the GPS tracker on any car. Set up your appointment, give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 for any GPS tracker removal here in North